Smile and learn.
Hello. If you've made it this far, it's because you feel like relaxing a little bit, right? I'm going to teach you a technique known as progressive muscle relaxation. Today specifically, we'll learn how to relax our face. Do you want to join me? This is a very simple relaxation technique. It consists of squeezing the parts of your body that I tell you, without hurting yourself, and holding that tension for about 5 seconds. Then, when I tell you to, relax your muscles and just focus on how relaxed they feel. This part will last about 15 seconds. The key to this relaxation practice is to feel the difference between tension and relaxation. I want you to focus on that. Look for a comfortable place to sit down without any distractions. In this first part, we will learn how to relax our face. We'll go from the top to the bottom, starting with the forehead, moving to the eyes, the nose, and ending with the mouth. Are you ready? Here we go. Close your eyes and follow my instructions. Focus on your breathing. Do you notice how the air flows in and out? Now, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. One last time. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Well done. Now scrunch your forehead and make a frown, like when we're very angry. You will feel tension in your eyebrows and nose. Stay like that. A little more, and now you can relax. Now relax your forehead. Allow it to loosen up and stretch. Focus on the muscles that were contracted a moment ago. Next, think about how your upper face feels now. It's relaxed. Very good. Let's continue with our eyes. Let's close them tightly. You will feel tension in your eyelids and around your eyes. Focus on all that tension. A little bit more, and now you can relax. Do you remember where you felt tension? Now you can feel your eyes relaxed. Do you notice the tightness has vanished? Well done! Let's continue with our nose. Scrunch your nose hard, like you're smelling something bad. You will feel tension on the top of your nose. A little more, and now you can relax. Relax your nose, and you will notice a change from when you were tense. Can you feel the difference? Do you notice the tightness is fading away? Good job! We'll finish with our mouth. Clench your jaw, making the molars collide with each other. Press your tongue tightly to the roof of your mouth. You will feel tension on the sides of your face and tongue. Hold this position for a while, and now you can relax. You can feel that your mouth is relaxed, and your molars are no longer clenched. The tongue is relaxed, and it's no longer pressing against the roof of your mouth. That's it. Slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? Do you feel better? I hope so. You can use this technique when you feel stressed. It will help you relax whenever you need to calm down. This session helped us relax only the face. But did you know that we can relax the whole body? Don't miss part 2 to learn how. See you soon!
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.